Today we're going to discuss the InfoSec Learning Challenge Labs, as well as the reporting available to instructors for those labs. Challenge labs contain challenge flags throughout the steps, testing if the user is understanding the process taught by the lab. When students capture these flags, we are able to record how far they are in the lab, when they complete each flag, and record screenshots of their virtual environment. All of this data is recorded in a dashboard that instructors and administrators can use to track their users' progress and understanding. As users work through the steps, they will encounter InfoSec maroon buttons that are used to complete the challenge flags. Every lab will have a sample challenge as its first challenge that will teach users what to expect from the challenge flags. The sample challenges are not scored, but all challenges afterwards will be. For the challenge, users will be tasked with finding a 6-digit number, or flag, within the virtual environment. Clicking on the challenge button will give the user a goal to accomplish, and provide a field to enter the 6-digit flag that they will receive by completing that goal. If they complete the instructions and enter the correct answer, they will be congratulated, and the challenge button will turn green. If they enter an incorrect answer, they will be told that their answer is incorrect, and they can either retry or skip this challenge. If you are an instructor or an organization's administrator, you'll have access to a reporting dashboard to monitor how your users are doing on the labs. From this dashboard, you can select a course that you oversee to receive metrics pertaining to that course. Accuracy is a measure of how many users were able to complete all challenges in the labs completed so far. Attempts by lab will break down how many steps have been made on each lab in your course. Average time spent per flag by lab will tell you roughly how long your students are taking to complete the challenges in each lab. Finally, you will get a graph with a few different metrics, such as flags captured compared to how many lab attempts were made, and how many challenges were skipped. You can use the Switch View toggle to open a list view that will list each individual user with a few metrics covering their performance on the labs. If you click on a student, you will get analytics similar to the original course dashboard, but this time, the analytics will be specific to that one user. Additionally, this view will have a list of every lab session attempted by that user. And if you click on a session, you will get a list of their challenge attempts, breaking down how many they got correct, and providing screenshots of their lab environment at the time of completing the challenge, and what they should have been looking at in the lab environment. If you suspect that a user is cheating on a lab, you can reference these screenshots to see if they were looking at the completed goal and challenge flag when they entered their answer.